Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'll deliver a lecture on soils of India, chapter 8, class 4th, and subject is SST. Soil. Soil is one of the most important natural resources. As plants grow in soil and animals depend on plants for their food. So we can say that all living things, including humans, depend on soil for their food. You might have seen in villages people build houses of mud, pots, etc. with soil. And we make cloth from plants like cotton, jute. Again, these plants grow in soil. So, soil is very important for all living beings. So, what's soil? It's the uppermost layer of the surface of earth. The uppermost layer of the surface of earth is known as soil. It is also known as topsoil. It's mixture of minerals, water, air, and the decaying remains of plants and animals. Formation of soil. How is soil formed? It's formed due to wind, water, and sunlight. When wind, water, and sunlight break down the large rocks into smaller pieces, and these pieces are further broken down into smaller pieces which form sand, silt, and different types of soils. When large rocks are broken down into smaller pieces by wind, water, and sunlight, and these pieces are further broken down into smaller pieces which form sand, silt, and different types of soil. As we all know that soil differs from place to place, and all types of soil are composed of particles of clay, sand, and silt in different quantities. Nature of soil depends upon the rocks and other minerals from which it is formed. And the fertility of the soil depends on the location of a region. Now we have different types of soil. The different types of soils are alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, desert soil, and mountain soil. These are the different types of soil which are found in India. So, the alluvial soil. The soil that is formed by the depositing of silt and sand brought down by rivers is known as alluvial soil. The soil that is formed by the depositing of silt and sand brought down by rivers is known as alluvial soil. This soil is found in plenty in the northern and coastal plains of India. And these deposits are very fertile and soft in nature. And alluvial soil is rich in minerals. So the crops grown in alluvial soil are rice, wheat, maize, tobacco, oil seeds, pulses, jute, fruits, and vegetables. As alluvial soil is very rich in minerals, so different types of crops are grown in these type of soil. Then we have black soil. This soil is formed from lava after it solidifies. When the lava solidifies, the black soil is formed. This type of soil is found in Gujarat, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, which lies in the northwestern part of Deccan Plateau. This soil is clayey and can retain a lot of moisture. And the crops grown in black soil are cotton, tobacco, millets, oilseeds, wheat and sugarcane. Then we have red soil. Why is this soil red? Because of the presence of iron. The presence of iron makes the soil appear red in color. This type of soil is found in Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Telangana. This soil is not very fertile. So we need to use, or we can say the farmers need to use fertilizers in order to grow crops like pulses and millets are grown in this type of soil. But to make this soil fertile, farmers add fertilizers. Then we have laterite soil. The soil that is produced by the process of weathering is known as laterite soil. The soil that is produced by the process of weathering is known as laterite soil. What is weathering? Weathering is the process by which rock is broken into smaller pieces by the action of weather. The process by which rock is broken into smaller pieces by the action of weather is known as weathering. And this laterite soil is produced by the process of weathering. This soil is found in some parts of Bihar, Odisha, Maharashtra, Karnataka, West Bengal, Meghalaya, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala and Telangana. This soil is found in regions that experience a lot of rainfall. As a result of this rain, the minerals in the soil get washed away. Which is known as leaching. Leaching is the process of washing away of minerals. As these areas or these regions gets a lot of rainfall, so the minerals gets washed away. Due to leaching, the soil is not fertile, so the farmers add fertilizers to grow their crops, and the crops which are grown in laterite soil are coffee, tea, coconut and rubber. Coffee, tea, coconut and rubber are grown in this type of soil. Then we have desert or arid soil. As the name depicts, this soil is found in desert regions. And you all know that Rajasthan is the area in India which is a desert area. So this desert soil is found in desert regions of Rajasthan and its surrounding areas. And we know that desert receive little or no rainfall, hence the soil is not at all fertile. The desert or arid soil is not at all fertile, but with the help of irrigation and minerals, only then the farmers are able to grow many crops in desert like wheat, barley, millets, pulses and cotton. These are the crops grown in desert or arid region, but with the help of irrigation and the minerals, farmers added minerals, and government has arranged irrigation canals in these desert regions, due to which the farmers are able to grow many crops. Then we have mountain soil. As the soil that is found in the slopes of the hills is known as mountain soil. This type of soil is found in Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. This soil is rich in humus and is very good for growing fruits and practicing terrace farming. What is humus? Humus is the dark matter that forms in soil when dead plants and animal matter decays. Humus is the dark organic matter that forms in soil when dead plant and animal matter decays. It forms the humus. And the mountain soil is rich in humus, so fruits are grown here, vegetables are grown here, maize, coffee, barley, etc. These crops are grown in this type of soil. So the different types of soils which are found in India are alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, literate soil, desert soil and mountain soil. So this was all for today. See you in the next lecture.